And BBC2 will be covering the cricket as well as international golf from the Belfry, beginning at 1:35. And now a look at programmes for tomorrow evening on BBC2, beginning at 5 to 8 with Whatever Happened to Britain, the first of an 8-part investigation into the history and current state of the British economy. At 8:20, Tony Soper presents a new series of Bird Spot, this week looking into the behaviour and lifestyle of woodpeckers. That's followed at 8:30 by a programme about the making and the dedication of the sacred horses of Tamil Nadu. For hundreds of years, villagers of South India have dedicated huge clay horses to their village god. At 9 o'clock, there's the second of Noel Coward's Suite in 3 Keys, A Song at Twilight, starring Deborah Carr and Paul Schofield. Then at 10:25, highlights from the second day of the third test at the Oval, followed by Newsnight at 10:50, and at 11:30, international golf from the Belfry in Sutton Coldfield. Programmes tomorrow evening on BBC2. And that's it for tonight. It's now 6.5 minutes past 12, and from all of us here on BBC2, this is Linda Thomas wishing you a very good night. Good night.